So this is just going to be a little unboxing and quick test of the Audew multifunction jump starter. And the reason I got this is because I was out in the desert motorcycle riding, boondocking, and I had a couple batteries go dead on me out there. And I had a battery charger, but it was kind of a pain in the butt because I had to unhook my truck and move everything over there to get the cables to reach and stuff like that. And it'd be nice to have something like this where I could just pull it out of the glove box or wherever and hook it up and start whenever I need to. So I ordered this one on Amazon, and I'll leave a link below. I got it on sale, so it's a pretty good deal. But here's what came with it. I admit I already opened it up because I charged it so I can do the test, but comes in this nice little carrying case. You got the charger itself, instructions, comes with a couple of, here's the charging port, couple of USBs, so you can use it with other, I guess you can charge your cell phone or whatever you need. It's got a flashlight on it. Hold that button down, flashlight comes on. Got different modes. Hold it, goes off. Pretty simple. This is where the charger goes in to charge it. This is where the cables hook into it. It's, let's see, what else we got here? Charging cord, charger. Here's the cables. Another charger. This goes directly. There's multi ways to hook this up, charge it for the wall socket. Cigarette lighter, charger. It's got a couple lights on here, some dummy lights to tell you it's green, it's ready to go. If it's blinking, it tells you it needs to, there's some instructions in there, it tells you what it needs to do. If it's red, obviously it's not working. It's got a boost, and basically if the battery's too dead, you push that button and then it should help you start it. So that's about all that comes with it. Box. Let's go out and give it a quick test. I know this is not a truck or anything like that, but according to the specifications that come with this, it should start my truck no problem, but I know this battery's dead, so I'm going to give it a shot with this and just see if it works. I'll let you know. I can see, you can hear it that it's dead. Doesn't do anything. Just plug that into the side there. Hook up the positive cable. Tough to get it in there. Negative. I got a green light, so it looks like it should turn over. Turn the light on. Turned over, no problem. I didn't put the choke on or give it any throttle, but looks like it should work no problem at all. Turned over really good. So I think this will work for an emergency, no problem.